sad day at the Arsenal church. I got two emotional gooners with me right now. Fellas, please tell me how you're feeling.
Gutted, but not the worst. It's not the worst. I'll take the 3-1 defeat. Could be worse. It could be 4-0. Could have been 4-0. Could be 5-0. So 3-1 as well at Anfield. It's been a long time since we won there. So take the defeat, I guess. Could be better. Pepe should have scored. He should have scored.
He should have. He had enough chances to score.
A bit disappointed, but overall,
So you didn't expect Arsenal to win this match?
I wanted them to win, man. I honestly thought they would, but defeats, eh? But I guess coming into the game, you think maybe the worst thing that will happen, you know, and it did happen. So shit, I don't know, eh? I don't know.
I think Brian's giving them a lot more credit than they deserve.
Maybe.
I think Gutted doesn't really explain the emotion. Like, why the fuck do we go? We go to these big stadiums every single fucking year and we just fail to bring back any sort of performance.
Results. Anything to be proud of.
David Luiz starts the second half and pulls the fucking shirt of Mo Salah.
Don't you feel David Luiz is a spy though? Or is it too soon? It's controversial.
I just feel like, what the fuck, we crumble every time we're at these big stadiums. Like, you know, Nicolas Pepe is in on goal, and you're shooting it straight at Adrian. Just fucking put it in.
Come on, put it away. Put it away.
The thing that threw me off the most was the team selection. Like, it looked like a solid team selection, but it's never been, that team selection has never been chosen ever before.
Exactly.
So it's like, why would you go out with a risky team selection against Liverpool?
What would you have done differently?
Like I said from the start.
Me too.
Everyone is. The thing is, everyone is saying go for the 3 up front. Aubameyang is even saying 3 up front. And no one wants it. Emery doesn't want to play it.
And he thinks it's too soon. Maybe
it's too soon. But he comes out with a completely different approach on the Liverpool game. Like, you know, you want to play that. Like, what's up with that? You know. So I don't know. But Pepe was good, but he should have scored. Composure.
He had enough chances.
The only way we would have won against Liverpool is if we scored in the first 30 minutes. If we scored in the first 30 minutes, our frame of mind would have been great and we would have been on the back.
Definitely.
But our composure, the moment we go down 1-0,
but the problem is we go into that last 20 minutes or that last 10 minutes and we're hitting them. Torreira comes on, we play so well, we score the goal. Where was that like 20, 30 minutes before?
Exactly.
Why did we play so well for the last like 20 minutes?
Why was the coach not decisive enough to make the changes at half time?
Yeah, but why do we wait for 79 minutes?
Exactly. It doesn't. I mean, it's not enough time to make an impact. Okay, so next week, North London derby. How do you feel?
It's got to be 3 points.
Are we playing at home?
Let's not forget.
Are we at home?
You know,
Emirates.
Are we at Emirates?
It's got to be 3 points.
And a lot of the people that we've had are saying, yeah, we'll beat Tottenham easy. But let's not forget, those are the runners-up in the Champions League for last season. And this week we just played the winners of the Champions League.
Guys, I'm sick and tired. Man United loses today against Crystal Palace. And it's fantastic. And I message all my Man United friends. And I say to them, who the fuck are Man United? And then we follow that up by losing to Liverpool and Anfield like that. Why can't we ever be proud of our team?
It's been a while since we had something to be proud of.
Come on, guys. When are we going to get a big result when we can say, fuck, Arsenal's here?
This was our chance to make a statement.
Spurs aren't a big team. Spurs aren't a big team.
Spurs is not a big team.
So if you beat Spurs, it doesn't mean anything.
But Spurs is quality.
Winning against Liverpool today would have been good.
No, I would have said before the game, we'll take the draw. I would have taken the draw today.
I'm saying.
Well, thanks so much, fellas, for coming through.
Thank you.
Looking forward to seeing you in the future.
For sure. Maybe we'll catch up next week, After winning against Spurs.
Goonercast_SA. Please follow the page. Show us some love. Thank you so much. Cool. See you next week. We're always here.